These giants cross entire oceans in their search for food. They can grow over 3 meters long and weigh half a ton. Bluefin tuna. They're streamlined to perfection and built for speed. They hunt in great packs, hundreds strong. The target, a school of anchovies. They gently corral the anchovies into a tight ball at the surface. Careful not to cause panic. And then they attack. This is a highly coordinated hunt. The tuna take turns, striking from the same direction to keep the anchovies on the run. After a mouthful, each bluefin peels off to take its place at the rear. Wave after wave continues the assault. With their power and devastating pace, bluefin tuna are one of the ocean's most impressive hunters.